Hey friends, welcome to my channel if you're new, or welcome back to my channel. Today I'm actually going to show you how to use a lamp stand, a floor lamp stand like from Walmart, and how you can build a balloon garland. In this case I did this look for Halloween, but it will work with any look that you're going for, any type of look or design. And I'm going to show you step by step how to put it together. You do need a screwdriver. You will be dealing with wires, so just be a little bit careful, but I'm going to show you how you take it from a lamp stand and how you can use it for a regular stand for a balloon garland. Okay, here you see me taking pieces out. There are certain pieces you won't need. You will not need the top of the lamp where the light goes in. You pretty much would just need the poles, and you're going to need the bottom part of the lamp, which is the base part. And what you're about to see me do is we have to get the cord out from the base. Now, in order to do this, you will have to take a few pieces apart, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. Right now you have to unscrew the little clip. This is normally the clip that turns the light on and off, and then we're going to have to unscrew the part that the bulb goes into. So that's what I'm doing now. Alright, once you get that unscrewed, you should be able to pull out the part that we have to remove the wires. You'll need a Phillips screwdriver, but there's two wires attached to two screws on either side of the light bulb part, and you simply just take a screwdriver and you unscrew those. And then you'll be able to detach the wire from the screw. Once you do that, you do have to straighten out the wires. You need to be able to pull it through the hole right there. As you see, it's not going through, so I have to adjust a little bit more and straighten out the wires a little bit, because I'm going to need to pull this all the way through. Now I can get it through. Now we have that together. The next part is to just go ahead and slide the poles off of the lamp stand, and then I'm just removing the protective paper that comes on it too. Now that I have all the poles pulled through, you see this cord, we actually have to push it through to get it out of the lamp base. So you just keep feeding it through, and then you pull the end of it to get it out of the lamp base. And now we have all the pieces that we need, minus the cord, to attach our lamps. So you just go ahead and get those screwed in. In this case, I think I only used 4 of the 6 pieces because I'm not going to do a full stand. This is going to be like a smaller garland, so I only used about 4 of the pieces. And then the final step is to screw all the lamp poles into the bottom of the base. Now I'm going to show you, if you watch my other clip, you will see how I use balloon clips to add the balloons onto the stand that I did. This, I'm just doing a twist of the balloons. You're pretty much taking one balloon and you twist it over another, and it locks it into place. And if you check my other video that I did for the other stand that I did for Halloween, you will be able to see in detail. I do show you how I make the clusters for the bigger 10-inch balloons and also the 5-inch balloons. In order to be able to slide them on, I do show you how I blow up the balloons and tie those together. So make sure you check that video out. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a balloon on the top of the lamp pole. The reason why you do this, because it prevents any balloons that go close to it from popping. Now I'm going to add some 5-inch balloons, and again, make sure you check out my other Halloween video, so I'll show you how to make these clusters with 260s. And the 5-inch balloons just give it more dimension and build the look in even more. Now I'm going to go ahead and add some bats to the balloon. And this all came with the balloon decoration kit. I'm going to put that link in my description below, just so you can see how the kit was that I did use for Halloween. And then pretty much these are little stickers, and you just stick them onto there. You take the back off, and then you can stick them onto the balloons. Now these are eyeball balloons, and I like the eyeball balloons because they add like a little fun thing, especially for Halloween. So they're 5 inches. You just blow them up, tie them, and then you'll see me in a second. I'm going to just use some glue dots to attach it to where I want it to go on the balloon garland. I had an extra set of boo letters, so I figured that I would go ahead and add them to this balloon garland. And make sure you continue to watch to the end, because I do show you the final look in a couple minutes of how the look came together with both the balloon garlands together that I made. But I'm just adding some glue dots and then attaching these letters to the garland. I did add an 18-inch balloon to the top of it, pretty much with the 260, and you just wrap it around the other balloons. I do not have that on the video, but I did add the big purple 18-inch balloon to the top of this garland to complete the look. And these looks that you see now are right before I'm about to bring it outside. I do bring it outside to finish it. And here's the final result. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to check out the other video I did with the other stand, and have a royal day.